Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of the Chinese New Year, I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw a drawing of the rabbit, which is the symbol of the Chinese New Year this year. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Year of the Rabbit drawing, let's begin with the eye. And I'm actually going to be using a red marker to do this. So to start off with this, I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a little circle. And I'm going to color most of it in, leaving just a little bit white. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes right above it. And then I'm going to make a little line right below it for the eye. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up for the top of the head. And then the line's going to come out, and it's going to come down here. We'll make a little line right here for the nose. And then we're going to make a little line that's going to come down right here. I'm going to bring this line right up to here, and then I'm going to bring it back down. Next, let's do the ear. I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to bring this down. And then right over here, I'm going to make another ear. So I'm going to start a little bit above this line. I'm going to come up and then down. And you can see I didn't touch that line. Now we'll come over just a little bit, and then we'll draw a line that curves to connect this. Next, let's come back here, and I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and then down. I'll draw a little line that's going to come down here, and it's going to come around for a leg. Next, I'm going to bring this up here. And then we'll draw a little curved line. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. We're going to go down here, and then right around this leg. Bring this line out and curve it up, and then right to here for that other leg. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come right back down. It's going to come to here. We'll make a line that's going to go out here with a curve. Then it's going to come back and then up. I'm going to bring this line up a little bit. Then I'll add a couple little points on here for a tail. Then we're going to make another big curve that's going to come right to about here. And then we'll bring this line down. Now we have our basic shape of our rabbit. We want to come in here and add some different details. So there's lots of things you guys can do on here. One of the things is I'll make a little line under here, and then I'll add a few little bumps right underneath here. I'm going to make a long line that goes around here, and then it's just going to curve back. I'll make some little bumps right around here for some detail. I'll draw a line in here, and then I'll make some little curves that kind of come all the way down. Right in here, I'll make some little bumps, like two small ones and a big one.
Then I'll add some little bumps inside of here too. I'll make another one of these here. This time I'll add a few more bumps. And I'll just make a line that connects them. I'll make a couple little kind of partial moon shapes on the leg. And then a little curved line here. We'll make some little circles coming up here. And then right over here on the leg, I'm going to make a big kind of swirled curve shape. That's just going to come back down like this. I'll make another little line that comes right across here, and then I'll add some little bumps on it. I'm going to make a few teardrop shapes of some different sizes coming right around here, with some circles going right across here. I'll make a few little bumps right along here. And then I'll put like 2 circles over here. I'll add a few more little circles in here. Then I'll make some like teardrop shapes over here by the face.
And there you go. There is your drawing of a Chinese New Year, Year of the Rabbit. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.